Washington, D.C. is known for its iconic architecture, tree-lined streets, and historic neighborhoods that reflect generations of design and culture. For homeowners living in these areas, preserving the charm of the surroundings while enhancing their own living space is a top priority. One feature that achieves both goals beautifully is the picture window. With its large, unobstructed glass design, a picture window does more than bring in light. It frames and highlights the historic streetscapes that make DC living so unique. One of the most noticeable benefits of picture windows is their ability to create a clear, uninterrupted view. Unlike windows with multiple panes or moving parts, picture windows are fixed, meaning there are no dividers to block the scenery. In Washington, D.C. neighborhoods filled with historic row homes, brick facades, and architectural details, this uninterrupted view allows homeowners to fully appreciate their surroundings. Every detail, from decorative ironwork to tree canopies, becomes part of the interior experience. Natural light is another major advantage. Picture windows allow a significant amount of daylight to enter the home, brightening interiors and making spaces feel more open. In historic DC homes, which may have narrower layouts or limited window openings, this added light can make a dramatic difference. Sunlight enhances interior features such as hardwood floors, moldings, and traditional finishes, helping preserve the character of the home while making it feel more modern and inviting. Picture windows also create a strong visual connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. In Washington, D.C., where streetscapes often include charming sidewalks, historic landmarks, and seasonal changes in foliage, this connection adds depth and character to your living space. Instead of feeling separated from the outside, your home becomes part of the neighborhood's visual story. This is especially valuable in living rooms or front-facing areas where homeowners want to showcase the beauty of their surroundings. Another way picture windows highlight historic streetscapes is by acting as a design focal point. Their large size naturally draws attention, making them a central feature in any room. Homeowners can arrange furniture to take advantage of the view, creating comfortable seating areas that face the window. This not only improves functionality but also encourages daily enjoyment of the neighborhood's architecture and activity. Energy efficiency is also an important consideration, especially in older homes. Modern picture windows are designed with advanced materials that help regulate indoor temperatures. Features like insulated glass and low-E coatings allow natural light to enter while minimizing heat transfer. This means homeowners in Washington, D.C. can enjoy bright interiors without significantly impacting heating or cooling costs. While picture windows are fixed and do not open, they can be paired with other window styles to maintain ventilation. For example, combining a picture window with casement or double-hung windows allows for airflow while still preserving the large central view. This combination provides both functionality and visual appeal, making it a practical solution for many homes. Durability is another benefit of modern picture windows. Built with strong frames and high-quality glass, they are designed to withstand changing weather conditions. In Washington, D.C., where homes experience both hot summers and cooler winters, this durability ensures long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. Customization options also make picture windows a great fit for historic properties. Homeowners can choose frame colors, finishes, and grid patterns that align with the architectural style of their home. This allows the window to blend seamlessly with existing design elements while still providing the benefits of modern construction. Professional installation is especially important in historic homes. Proper fitting and sealing ensure that the window performs efficiently and maintains the integrity of the structure. Experienced installers understand how to work with older buildings, ensuring that the new window enhances the home without compromising its character. In the end, picture windows offer a unique way to highlight the beauty of Washington, D.C.'s historic streetscapes. By providing unobstructed views, increasing natural light, and creating a strong connection to the outdoors, they enhance both the function and feel of your home. For homeowners who want to celebrate the charm of their neighborhood while improving their living space, picture windows are a timeless and impactful choice.